Hello students, good morning to all of you. Well, today I will continue the same chapter number 14, matter. Last day I had done solids, liquids and gases. Solids have a definite shape and volume and do not flow, but liquids have no fixed shape but they have a fixed volume, and gases have no fixed shape. They too take the shape of the containers they are filled in. Okay, so today I will teach you the next topic, change of state. Change of state means liquids change into gas, gas change into liquid, solids change into liquid, and liquids change into solids. How it is possible? Okay. So even though the three states of matter appear very different from each other, as we know that the different states of matter like solids, liquids and gas appear very different from each other. They can change from one state to another if the right amount of energy, that means temperature plus pressure, is provided. The states of matter change from one state to another when we applying certain amount of energy like temperature and pressure. Okay, so different substances change their state and at different temperatures. Here melting, one word is given here, melting. Melting means the temperature at which a substance melts from solid to liquid is called melting. Have you seen ice cream melts? Ice cream is solid, in form of solid, and it melts to liquids. It melts to liquid is called melting. So the temperature at which a substance melts, at temperature means when a solid changes, or you can say melts to liquid, when we require certain temperature is called melting. So when a solid is heated, the molecules begins to vibrate faster, thus loosening the bonds between them. As the temperature increases, the bonds weaken further till at a particular temperature they break apart and begin to flow like a liquid. So we can say that the solids change into liquid when temperature increases. Okay, here you have given three different substances, okay, like ice, butter and this is toffee, Cadbury. Okay, so all these three substances, namely ice, butter and chocolate, in different pans, by asking an adult to heat them, note down the time taken by each to melt. Guys, please note down the time taken by each to melt. Please do experiment, okay, and write yes the time taken by each to melt. Okay, next we will learn about boiling. Boiling means steam and evaporation. Boiling, steam and evaporation. When water is heated and begins to boil, it forms steam. Means you can say evaporate. The highest temperature a liquid can reach before turning into a gas is its boiling point. Boiling point means the highest temperature a liquid can reach before turning into a gas. We all in our daily life we heat the water, we heat the milk when we use highest temperature, then it gets changed into gas. Okay, so when a liquid is heated, the molecules start moving around with far more energy, and there comes a point when bubbles begin to form. This is when the liquid has reached its boiling point. Means the molecules of liquid particles starting moving around with far when liquid is heated. It is then that the molecules start escaping from the surface and become a gas. If the heating continues, all that liquid turns to gas. We say that the liquid has evaporated. That means liquid has evaporated. Okay. Here you can see this process is called boiling or evaporation. Guys, please guess it. The correct process is boiling or evaporation. Of course, evaporation or boiling. Please take the correct. You have to try it. Okay. Next, we will discuss about condensation. Next term is condensation. Condensation means molecules of gas move around freely as the bonds between them are very weak. When gas is cool enough, molecules begin to bond such that they form drops of liquid. This is called condensation. This is what happens when we hold a cool metal lid over a pan of boiling water, water vapor condensing from the air on leaves, petals and grass is called dew. So the molecules of gas move around freely and they begin to bond such that they form drops of liquid is called condensation. Different gases condense at different temperatures. Different gases condense at different temperature. I hope you have all you all have seen this type of activity. This is called water vapor condensing. Okay, leaves, petals and grass is called dew. This is called dew. Next, here freezing. You have given next topic, next word, freezing. Freezing means the process of changing liquids into solid is called freezing. Liquids into solids. The process of changing liquids means water changes into ice. Okay. The cooler the temperature in the freezer, the faster ice will form. So most substances contract to become smaller when they freeze as molecules get tightly packed. Example, water is the only substance which when it freezes. So water pipes burst at times in severe winter conditions. Okay, so guys, I hope you all have understood by this safety speak, and please all of you write all the difficult words from this lesson in your classwork, copy and learn it properly. Okay, and next topic we will explain by tomorrow. Okay, that's all. Thank you.